Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the best day ever because after waiting about 3 to 4 weeks, we finally got our couch from Burrow. And we kind of had like a couch fiasco in our moving process where our normal couch that's not modular did not fit up the stairs. So we got a Burrow couch. I'm so excited to unbox all of these things. We got the Nomad sectional from their website and it comes in literally all of these boxes. So it's gonna be a process to put it together, but it's so nice that it's a modular couch and we can take it all throughout New York. The instructions booklet looks like this. So it's pretty clear and it's like designed nice. Honestly, I like their like instructions a bit even better than like I would say like IKEA's like instructions, but I like how they literally have the photo of the couch and like what you're supposed to do instead of trying to figure out a different illustration and whatever, so that's nice. So currently Jamal is laying out the couch and he's just laying it out like the way the instructions tell us to. It's not necessary to really do this, but we just want to check and see that we have all the parts and stuff before we move forward. And then after that, I mean, as you can see, they have a list here of all the necessary pieces that we should have received. And I actually like how all the boxes, if you noticed, are labeled, so that's nice as well. Slide each seat together using the alignment pins and holes as a guide. So they have like a way to lock the seats together like this. So it's nice, like, you know, having this visual to be able to see that the seats are supposed to go together this way. So I think this is so clear. So there's these pins on each side of the couch, like in between the sections. So you just have to like align those pins together and then lock these things together to get the seats to go together. So now we are on to step 3 and it says push down to ensure that the seats are fully folded down and then unfold the seats into the open position with the backrest still on the ground and the seats perpendicular to the ground. These instructions are kind of wordy, but the actual image is like, oh, okay, this is what it looks like.
Now it's just time to do the arm.
So we just finished step 6, which was locking the arms on and connecting them with the top part and the bottom part, the seats and the cushions. So now we are actually on step 7, which is attaching the legs. Yeah, so then they have this image of what the legs should look like. So here we are, this is the leg portion, and this is step 7. So we're almost done. Here is step 8, which we are already on. And I think this is total 10 steps and that's it. So step 8 says to use the built-in USB chargers and clip the cord from the bottom of the right armrest and plug the included power cord into it and plug that into a wall outlet. So this is because this couch actually has USB chargers in it, which is so cool. We have to plug a power cord actually like into the couch just so it runs. But yeah.
Literally just plug it in. You have your cord, which will go to our outlet over there.
So Jamal's finishing step 8.
Yep. And so, say you have an iPhone cord.
Now where's the USB though?
It's right here. So,
Hold up.
see the USB?
There's a USB right here, y'all. Do you see it? I know you probably barely can see it, but it's over here. Oh, wow. Maya, really?
Boom, it works.
That's cool. Where's the chaise at?
We haven't built the chaise yet, but we can leave it just like a regular sofa.
Oh.
If we wanted to. So here's our base of our chaise.
Something weird to note is that the instructions actually don't tell you what to do with the chaise, and I thought that was kind of strange because you would think the chaise would be like really important, and we didn't realize it comes with an extra cushion to the couch. So since it comes with extra couch cushion, we literally just built it like a normal sofa, but it's a sectional. So now we have to figure out like how to add the chaise onto the couch last minute. Jamal says it's simple, but it's still like a little bit annoying to me that they don't have like customized instructions per each item that is customized, especially if it's a sectional and it has a chaise. So that's something to consider, but all in all, so far a good experience. It's only taken us like 20 minutes to build it so far, and probably would took less time if I wasn't recording and making content.
But you just...
Jamal took the cushion off, and how did you attach that bottom part?
The bottom part is not attached. There's a little Velcro. It's not attached, so if you felt like moving it on a different day, like tomorrow's Sunday, and you're like, man, I really want my sectional on another side of my couch, all you would do is just rearrange a couple pillows. You would just take this off, move your chaise to this side, put your larger pillow here. There's Velcro, like so.
Oh.
And now you have a couch with your sectional on the opposite side. And you could do it in the middle. But the only thing is now when you do that, so if one day you want to have a sectional, you have a sectional. If you take this part off, you can just have a regular sofa.
That is true.
Because the other ones all have holes for the pins to go through. This one just looked like, I know there's supposed to be a hole there because look how far this knife goes in.
Oh wow,
Yeah, so there was a fabric covering the hole that wasn't allowing me to go all the way through on it. So we just cut a little bit around, which should be plenty enough for that thing to go in. Don't have to take it out, just cut a little hole through.
Yeah. To be clear, like this side of the couch always looked wonky because it just wasn't properly attached because that fabric was blocking it. That fabric was blocking the side part from locking in. So because now we've cut this hole in the fabric, we were able to lock it into the other side of the couch. So that's a little defect that we had in our couch, but besides that, it's been good. Alright guys, so we finished assembling the couch and we just wanted to give you our final thoughts on it. I'm actually surprised at like how light each cushion was and how easy it was to assemble. Like we did it within 20 minutes and I thought, I mean like in general, if I wasn't recording content at the same time, it probably would have been even faster. We also noticed at the bottom, like they have like the felt side like stapled in and like some parts were like a little bit loose. So we actually like duct taped where that's underneath so you can't see it, but like so that way that felt isn't loose and like our cats actually like to get into the couch like from underneath, so that way they can't do that. And we had like a little issue like with the side of the couch in general where it wouldn't like lock properly, and that's because like the fabric in the hole was like blocking where it's supposed to lock, so we actually had to cut that fabric out.
And like we had to go and make an appointment at the Burrow store, kind of in like the Soho area there.
Yeah, Burrow only has one showroom and it happens to be in New York, so we scheduled an appointment at their showroom and like got to actually see these couches in person before we did purchase them. And I was actually pretty impressed with like all of their couches and like the materials and things like that, so that's what really sold it for us, and it was good to be able to go see it besides like just buying a couch online and taking the risk. So it's been a year and like I said, this couch has been holding up very well. It's still super firm and we even expanded it, as you can see, to be a larger sectional, just adding one more section, which was super easy thanks to Burrow. So we have 2 cats and we haven't had any issues in terms of like stains or anything like that. The actual fabric itself is very like stain free. Like this microfiber gray is really nice actually. The couch still looks really good, and you just have to like make sure to smooth it out every once in a while, because after sitting in it every once in a while it does seem to get like a tiny bit of piling, but it's nothing crazy. Like, I'm actually really impressed with it. We stopped using the USBs. Like, I don't think we ever started using the USBs that you can charge your phone with inside the couch, because it was just an inconvenient location for us to plug the couch into the wall. But besides that, like, that's not really, I mean, that's a cool feature to have, but we got the couch more because it just made sense for our space, and it was an attractive and affordable modular couch. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna give Burrow pretty much a 10. Like, this couch has held up very well. There's small like smoothing out issues, like, you know, I just have to smooth my hand over the couch sometimes to make sure that it seems firm and tight, but besides that, this couch still looks like just as good as it did on day one, if not better. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm impressed, I really am. I kind of wish we tried the leather sectional too, but it's just not realistic with cats, and this has held up so well for a household with 2 cats that sleep on the couch all the time. This video is sponsored, but I'm actually like being serious. Like, if I didn't like the couch, I would tell you. But as you can see, Jamal's working back there. But yeah, as you can see, I didn't even like smooth out the couch or anything before this video. Like, this was just taken during my work day, and the couch has held up great. So this is how the couch is holding up. As you can see on the left side of the couch, there's a tiny, zooming in a little bit so you can see, just a tiny bit of piling, and otherwise it's pretty smooth. Like, it looks the exact same as the day that we bought it. So watch me like just kind of smooth this out with my hands, and you'll see that it'll look better. So you can already see like a visible difference there. So it's just kind of maintaining the way it looks and everything by smoothing it out yourself or fluffing your pillows to make it a bit more exciting. But yeah, I'm really enjoying it. We've been enjoying this couch and this new space. Obviously you can see we're working back there. So it's just one of those days. We don't get to spend as much time on the couch as we would like to because we work all the time, but truly like it truly held up the test of time. So I am going to give Burrow a 10 out of 10.